Hello and welcome back. So we are going to be planning for the week of the 6th through the 12th in my Catchall planner. I'm using this kit from TPC Nation that is no longer available, and I have my sidebar scripts from Tipsy Dog Designs, and off to the side I have my Black Mountain Plan scripts, and I do PR for her, so if you use NUB20 you'll receive 20% off your entire purchase, and you will get my freebie. And these aren't laying down as good, but that's okay. What is going on this week? This week we do have a hair appointment, and I need to find out what day that is actually. Let's see here. The 6th. Okay. Alrighty. So, hi, hello. If you're new, my sidebar is my household. So household chores and errands need to be run. My duder. My husband and I, we share a column, but I use my name. We are going to get better about meal planning. So write down meals. And I want to get better about my health and go to the gym or for a walk. So we are doing that as well. We are going to put on the date headers here. And here. Oh. There. And Sunday, Saturday. And while we are on this page, I can go ahead and lay out these full boxes. This is a very happy kit. We'll do it on Saturday. And then we'll do it here. We'll do it here. Okay. Alright. So, Monday, I will go ahead and put down the trash. Because Monday is a trash day. And I will change the wax. And we will change the outer sheets on Friday. That is fine, I will use it. So this is Saturday. We will change our sheets. And put this yellow down. Come on. Because we do laundry. Alright. So Monday we have a haircut at 12:35. We'll use a thicker box here. I have a haircut. My Boo Bear. I'll do these two little things. Need to work. He goes back to work. And I have therapy. So again, short, sweet, to the point, and simple. And I do have extra functionals to use. I'm wondering if I can just condense these, which is perfect. And then I have one last sheet to write. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.